Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing a phone with manual or portrait mode, and if available, an optical or dual lens because lens separation increases background blur. Once ready, attach a clip-on lens or step back to increase subject-to-background distance. That's how you simulate a wider aperture. Make sure to lock exposure and focus on the subject to avoid hunting during motion. Now position your subject, frame for composition, and keep the background populated with small bright highlights to amplify the bokeh effect. Once you've framed the shot, move into filming technique. Place the camera closer to the subject and maintain 1/2 to 1/4 the distance between subject and background to create depth. Use a shutter around 1/60th to 1/120th for smooth motion. Stabilize with a tripod or gimbal to preserve sharp subject details while background softens. Make sure to enable portrait or video mode with background blur and tweak the blur slider gradually. This preserves subject edges and prevents unnatural. To finish, review your clips at full resolution and note areas needing correction. Reshoot short sections rather than restarting the whole take to save time. If you see edge halos or subject misseparation, reduce the software blur and increase physical distance between subject and background because optics create more natural bokeh. If background lights flicker or strobe, switch frame rate or use steady artificial lighting. Finally, export with minimal compression to preserve soft highlights and the natural rendered blur you created.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.